Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how we're printing cash with AI images right now. And it's so stupidly simple to implement. You can implement this into your business literally within the next 24 hours. So let me show you some of the results that we're getting here in our business. So this whole account runs on image ads. And as you can see here, in the last 30 days, we spent $135,000 on ads, and we have generated $270,000 back in sales, which is absolutely crazy, like 2x return on ad spend purely with image ads. They're very easy to put together. I'll show you exactly how to do it so you can add it to your business right away. Now, when it comes to scaling e-commerce business, if you already have a product, because finding a product, if you ask me how to find a winning product, like Jesus, like there's like 20,000 tutorials. You can find some tutorials on my YouTube channel. There's a bunch of different tutorials. You can find a winning product within like 5 minutes if you really wanted to. But when it comes to the building commerce business, besides the product, there's only two moving parts, which is the ads and your funnel, right? So I will not cover funnel in this particular video because I have other tutorials that cover that in great detail. So funnel we will not cover today. I'll cover today specifically ads. Now, when it comes to ads, there's only two types of ads that will help you to scale to 6 or even 7 figures per month. Number one is image ads, and number two is video ads, right? Like very simple. Now, videos are a bit more difficult to put together. You have to write the scripts, you have to edit them. Like there's some moving parts that I will not be covering in this video because I want to focus on simplicity. And with image ads specifically, there are few advantages that they have over video ads. Like for example, speed to creation. I will show you how to create amazing image ads in 60 seconds in this video, which will help you to just test a lot faster, move these assets as quickly as possible. You can test a lot of different variations and you can find winners a lot faster that will help you to scale. After watching this video, if you haven't added like $100,000 to your business in the next like 30 days after you implemented this, that must be something stupid that you're doing. So now, speed to creation, right? It's number one advantage here that you can take very fast to create. Also, angle testing. So angle is one of the most important variables when it comes to scaling your business. Every additional angle that you add to your business can add additional $50,000 a month, $100,000 a month, sometimes even $1 million a month to your business. So angle testing is very fast and very efficient using images because you can just quickly put them together. You put that ad in front of people, and if they click on it, if they buy from it, it means that angle is working, and you can create more variations of that angle in order to reach even more people and in order to make even more money. Next one here is a creator testing. Again, with videos, it's a little bit more complicated. You have to test different faces. There's different AI UGC tools. You have to generate all of these. But at the end of the day, if you test different faces with images, it's a lot faster to do. You can test different faces literally in 60 seconds. You can generate 4 different faces for AI images. I'll show you exactly how to do it. Also cheaper. If you're generating AI UGC, sometimes it costs you like $10 per video. Sometimes like if you're working with real creators, some of the creators are fucking delusional. They're charging like $20, $50, $100, $500 per video, which is ridiculous. Like you don't want to do that. Like you want to test something that's quick, fast, efficient. That's how you scale your business. You have to keep your business as lean and as profitable as you want. So here I wanted to write cheaper. I wrote something else. So cheaper, right? This is cheaper. Creator testing, angle testing. So many advantages of image ads specifically. When it comes to actually creating, let me show you exactly how to create these. But before we get into that, I want to show you how to generate angles, because angles is one of the biggest variables when it comes to actually making the ads. Because if there is no angle, there's no point of creating the ads, right? So now here I have prompt. So this prompt, what it does is it extracts different angles for the product that I'm going to sell. So for the purposes of this video, I have chosen this product here. It's called Wrinkle Schminkle. So it's 600 ads consistently. They're doing great numbers here. And they're also using decent amount of image ads. So I'll be selling this product using image ads for the purposes of this video. So what I did is I went to their website. I kind of like reverse engineered all of their copy. Then I fed that copy into AI using this prompt. And by the way, if you want this whole prompt here, just DM me angles on Instagram. There should be my Instagram link below this video. So just drop me a DM. I'll send you this whole document so you can use this exact prompt to find angles for your product. Now, let me show you what results it gives me, right? So first, ChatGPT asked me some clarifying questions. I answer these questions here, and it takes approximately like 7 minutes. If you're not patient enough to wait fucking 7 minutes for ChatGPT, because, it takes a lot of time. Jesus, have some fucking patience. You're building a business that can change your life. Come on. You can see these are the alternative angles that I have generated. So now, great improvement in the smoothness of the area, reduction of puffiness and lightness on my dark circles. Beautiful. Genuinely feel like my eyes look less puffy. Boom. This is the angle. The main product is these eye patches that reduce wrinkles. That's why the brand is called Wrinkles Schminkles. This for the eyes and other areas of human body, mostly women. And so here, this by itself is a great angle. Genuinely feel like my eyes look less puffy. So let me generate actually some images for you so you can see how simple that is. I'll be using Get Hooked for this purposes of this video. You can use ChatGPT if you wanted to, but you can see here, what it does is it generates variations of images that you have. So for example, if I feed this image here and I ask it to generate new images, you can see it just generated 4 different faces. Just like that. It took like 60 seconds to do that. Another variation here, I fed this image to Get Hooked and it generated these images with different faces, right? This was the original face, boom, boom, boom. Different faces, different ethnicities, just like that. Now, if I wanted to use the angle that I just found from this research that ChatGPT did, like literally AI did my research for me, and I want to generate more images just like that. All I have to do is choose some images from my swipe file, and for the purposes of this video, I'll just choose this image here, and I'll just say change the text to this. And then I'll say, okay, I also want new model or new persona. So I want some new faces here. So I'll just click generate AI variations and we'll start a timer here. Da-da-dum. Timer just in my head, I'm counting like, so it's 5, 6, 7, whatever. It's like takes approximately 60 seconds here. All right, boom. It generated the images. Let me download them and let's see what is the quality of these and whether there's any misspellings. I'll just save it. Boom, 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 boom. No misspellings. I genuinely feel like my eyes look less puffy. For this angle that I found using AI, like literally in 60 seconds, actually in 7 minutes, I generated 4 images that took me extra 60 seconds. Literally like in 8 minutes, I went from like an idea of like, just like, I have no idea what I'm doing to generating images that I can plug into my ad account and I can start running them. Now, let's say not all of them will work out. Maybe 1 out of 4 to become a winner. That's still a massive win. Like you can scale that ad to like hundreds of thousands of dollars in sales potentially, right? Let's say to tens of thousands of dollars. But how easy it is, how simple it is, and how fast it is. Now, there's some other variations of images. I was playing around here. For example, I did these variations here. You can see that was the original image. These are the images I have generated. These look pretty realistic. You would have to be very tech savvy to see whether these images are actually AI generated. Also, after the initial testing, let's say you have found your winning ad. All you have to do is just upload it here and ask it to generate different backgrounds. So for example, here, the original one, as you can see, has this kind of like white and greenish background. It generated me 4 different images with different backgrounds. The text is very stable. Text is pretty much like there is no misspelling on the text. Let's review it. Boom. There is no misspellings here. You can also customize the text if you wanted to, if you wanted to custom prompt it, but I know most of you suck with prompting. So I would just use some of these pre-prompts here. You can change the color, you can add new model or persona, or you can change the background or scene. And you can also generate different images for different formats. So for example, most images you can run with a square format, but if you wanted to have like a portrait, which is more kind of like a vertical format that is the most user-friendly on mobile devices, because majority of the traffic that you'll be generating from Facebook will come from mobile devices anyway. So you might as well generate portrait format. You can customize it here as well. And now you can see that was the original image here. And I generated different ethnicities. So for example, I have 3 ladies here that are kind of like Afro-American. And I generated 1 lady that is Caucasian. I also was playing around here. I generated some Afro-American ladies here, like slightly different faces prices as well. All these AI generated, so you will not have any trademark issues. I generated other variations here, also different faces, same format, no misspellings whatsoever. I generated another one here, which also has no misspellings because again, AI sometimes does these misspellings. Now, you can use ChatGPT to pretty much prompt all of these. You can do it manually, you can refine it, you can play with it. Another option that you can use is Midjourney. If you wanted to, ChatGPT is probably the best one, most user-friendly for most people. Also, you can use tools like GetHook to generate these images for yourself very fast. So in 60 seconds, you have 4 images, you load them up into the ad account and you start testing. The win rate on this is absolutely crazy because these numbers that we are doing right now in our business, like literally from here, from this tool that like generates these images in 60 seconds. So it's just incredible what you can do with image ads. So now if you already have a business and you're using video ads, maybe you're using VSLs, maybe you're using UGC, just add image ads to your business. That can add like additional $100,000 in sales with great profit margins. And also it's very fast to use. Like literally you can have just like one person on your team or just do it all by yourself. If I was starting a business today, that's literally what I would do. I wouldn't even play with video ads. I have no idea how to edit. I suck at so many different things, but AI makes all of these things a lot more streamlined and easy to use that even total retard can use this and print. So take it to your business. I want to see amazing comments from you in 30 days from now when you implemented this into your business. Add another $100,000 to your sales with amazing profit margins because with AI right now, it's time to print. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you got the value from it. Now, if you want this exact prompt that I shared with you, just DM me angles on Instagram. I'll send it over to you because like literally here, I have so many different angles that I have generated just in 7 minutes that I could start using for selling my product and you can do to sell your products as well. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.